Good morning. So, it's time to get up. So, eto na naman tayo mga kunars, kaka-deserve. At puyat pa, we woke up early today. Today is Wednesday and we're heading to one of my bucket list. We're going to Paris. It's a 1-month preparation trip guys at ilang overtime na naman po ang nagawa ng inyong mga kunars para lang sa trip na to. Gumising pala kami around 4 a.m. para lang makapunta sa St. Pancras International Train Station and it's a 30 minutes drive from our house to the station. So malapit lang siya actually kasi early morning din so walang traffic. Dito pala guys sa mga Harry Potter fan dyan, dito matatagpuan yung platform 9 3/4. Here's exactly what it looks like to take the Eurostar, yun yung name ng train from London to Paris. You have to make sure you go through the international entrance which look like this and you get in line. Madami tao that time guys kasi most of the people going to Paris will attend the Paris Olympic and then you'll go through a security check same way you do for the airport. Since first time na naman ang inyong kunars na makapag-travel through international train, so mas mabilis siya for me compare sa airport kasi they are particular into your luggage weight. Pumasok lang kami showing the ticket and then we go through the security scanner nga and after that may mga personal na to check your visa and passport. Yun, wala, pasok ka na. Nagbaon pala kami guys at dahil gusto naming makatipid and because rice is life. So ayun. Star is an international train between France and the UK. It is actually underwater sea train. So papasok kami sa tunnel underwater at makakita kaya kami ng mga shark, balyena, you think guys, or budol lang. Well, abangan on this video. Just like in a plane, ang Eurostar ay may standard premier at business premier and since wala tayong pera at nagtitipid lang so kinuha natin ay standard. At ayan na nga guys, papasok tayo sa tunnel in 3, 2, 1, surprise! This is the incredible view inside the underwater Eurotunnel between Paris and London. But for real guys, I really thought there were going to be fish everywhere but I was wrong. After 30 minutes underwater, so eto na, the good view here in Paris. Welcome to Paris Gare du Nord. We purchased pala a travel card guys called Navigo for 2 days. Navigo, hindi Navigo sa Love Life, charis. So ayan, naghihintay naman po kami ng taong makokopyahan. So, turista nga guys, so dapat hindi mo napapahiya dahil sa first day nga natin today. Nag-deploy pala sila ng mga person in purple uniforms guys to assist tourists kaya maganda ang flow sa station this time. Train siya from Gare du Nord to Porte d'Orleans but it doesn't bother me kasi mabibilis ang gap ng mga trains. Parang ang waiting time lang ay less than 5 minutes. Nag-tram na din kami guys, kahit short distance lang just to maximize the usage of the travel card. After a little bit of touch-up, umalis na din kami at wait, Ano yan? Oh my God! It's Eiffel Tower! So, ayan, nag-imot-imot na naman ang lola nyo at napapaisip na naman sa mga phrases frequently said by nurses like, gusto ko na mag-resign, pagod na ako, wala na akong pera, but look at this guy. Is it not worth it na mapagod ka muna bago ka mag-enjoy? There are 3 stations na closed during Olympics, including na yung Trocadero. Ang Trocadero, guys, ay isang lugar na magandang puntahan to see the beautiful Eiffel Tower. So, bumaba kami sa Bir Hakim at doon na lang kami nag-start maglakad to Eiffel Tower. Along the way, may mga nakikita kaming mga hotel for the Olympians like this. So, hindi na namin alam kung tama pa ba yung tinatahak naming daan at ayan, kunwaring nagmamagaling na naman si Dora. Kunwaring alam magbasa ng map pero hindi naman. And after a long walk, here is it. Bonjour. Oui, oui.
I was born feeding the dust. I built my reputation, fought for recognition. I was raised an underdog, would take any evasion and without hesitation. I was born feeding the dust. I built my reputation, fought for recognition. I was raised an underdog, would take any evasion.
Walkable naman lahat, guys. So, naglakad-lakad lang kami just to enjoy the scenery until may nakita kaming building and this is it, the Paris 2024 Stadium.
I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some.
So, part ng itinerary namin on the first day is to hunt a good macaroon. Hello, guys.
I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love.
Nag-train ulit kami, guys, para i-check sana yung Louvre Museum pero close sila at that time kasi nga sa Olympics. So, nag-train ulit kami para pumunta sa Arc de Triomphe.
Light in my darkest night. Your love shines like a beacon so bright. Through the storms and the trials we face, in your arms I find my safe place. Always love you, forever hold you tight.